Yeah, we'll just see. Yeah, so if yeah, I think it has started. So if I want to perform 5 into 3, so that can be done by 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, okay, which is equal to 15. Okay, so this method is something called as successive addition. This is very much allowed, but is it a good method or it is bad method? Justify your answer. Is it good or bad?
Bad.
Why it
Bad.
is bad? Why it is bad?
टाइम ज़्यादा जाएगा बार बार.
टाइम ज़्यादा जाएगा ऑब्वियसली. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं 100 इंटू 100 करूंगा तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? 100 को 100 टाइम
100
ऐड करना
times
पड़ेगा.
करना.
So it will require how many cycle? 100 cycles. If I want to
Yes.
add 1000 into 1000, so it will be performed in 1000 cycle, right? If I want to
Yes, sir.
perform 1 million into 1 million, it will require 1 million cycle. So it is very bad. Okay, so I won't be wasting, I will be wasting a lot of cycles. Okay, and that is a lot of resources which is going to get wasted. Okay, so that is not allowed. So we can say this algorithm, it is good. Okay, it will generate an appropriate result, but it is very slow. It is very slow. This algorithm is quite slow. Is that clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
The second method is something which is called as a traditional approach of multiplication. So traditional way of multiplication. So what is a traditional way of multiplication? So if I want to perform 5 into 3, 5 can be written down as, in binary, tell me, it is 0 1 0 1.
Yes.
3 can be written down as
011.
0
1
0
1.
1 1. I need to perform the multiplication. So what we need to do? Multiply 1 with all these numbers. So what will get? 0 1 0 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0. So I'll get what? 0 1 0 1, right?
Yes.
After that, I will multiply this one with this whole number. So directly करूंगा या एक shift करूंगा? I'll put shift over here,
Yes,
right?
sir.
This is the traditional approach, right? यही करते हैं ना हम लोग. If I want to perform 25 into 25, what I'll be getting? 5 5 is 25 to carry, 5 2 is 10, 11 12 125. You put what? A space. Okay, after that you get 2 5s are 10. Okay, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 5, you get 50 over here. Okay, now add this. So 5x is nothing but it is 5, then you get 2, then you get 6. This is how you get, this is how you
Yes,
do the
sir.
traditional approach. This is what you have learned in second or third standard. Okay, so same thing the computer does. Okay, computer does it how? Using binary approach. So ये क्या करेगा? 1 को पहले multiply करेगा with 0 1 0 1, you'll get 0 1 0 1. Then this one will be multiplied with 0 1 0 1. You'll get what? Again 0 1 0 1.
0 1 0 1.
Then you have how many spaces देना पड़ेगा? You have to give 2 spaces.
2.
Multiply 0 with 0 1 0 1. What will get? 0 0
0 0.
0 0. Right? Right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
how many spaces? 3 spaces. Again you'll get 0 0 0 0. Add them. Okay, what will get? 1 x x x. What will
1
get? 1. This 0 1
1
x x will be 1. 1 0 0 0 x is 1. This 1 will come down and we have 0 0 0.
0 0.
Right? Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
What is this answer? What is this? Tell me in binary, in decimal. It is 15.
15. Yes.
It's 15. What we were
Yes,
supposed to
sir.
get 5 into 3 is what? It is also 15. So that means we are getting
15.
a correct answer. Now, how many steps are required in order to perform 5 into 3? How many steps are required? 1 cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycle, 4 cycle. कितना cycle लगा? 4 cycle.
4.
Traditional approach में अगर मैं कर रहा था 5 into 3 is nothing but 5 plus 5 plus 5. It is 3 cycles, right? यहाँ पे 4 cycle लग रहे
Yes,
हैं, यहाँ
sir.
पे 3 cycle लग रहे हैं. But for multiplication 100 into 100, it will also take how many cycle? 4 cycle. समझ में आया आपको? So this
Yes.
approach, yeah, traditional approach is comparatively faster. For example, अगर मैं 4 bit का अगर मैं number ले रहा हूँ, okay, I am taking a 4 bit number, okay, 4 bit number यानी this 5 into 3, these are 4 bit number, right? 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. These are 4 bit numbers. If I want to perform 4 bit के multiplication, 4 bit का number को अगर मैं multiply करना चाहता हूँ, okay, so what is the number of cycle it is required? It is required how many cycles?
4.
4. Number of cycle is equal to 4. If I want to multiply 8 bit numbers, तो कितना नंबर ऑफ साइकिल लगेगा?
8.
इट इज 8. ओके, अगर 16 बिट का नंबर होगा तो number of cycle is
16.
16. Okay, that means it is very much better. Okay, 16 bit का नंबर मतलब 2:16. 2:16 is 65,536, यानी 65536 को 65536 से भी अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, it will require 16 cycles to get it. नॉर्मल ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच से कितना साइकिल लगता? 65,536 साइकिल्स लगते. So you are able to achieve close to 65,520 cycles आप सेव कर पा रहे हैं. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So can you say
Yes.
Can you say the traditional approach is much better than your the successive addition approach? Can you say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is better. It is better. Why? It is because it is faster. It is very much faster compared to successive addition. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But the problem of this method is it works very much with unsigned numbers. Unsigned number matlab the number which is
Positive.
positive. For unsigned numbers, it will work very much better. It will work at very fast pace. Okay, no issues with it. The traditional approach, is it simple? Yes, it is very much simple. Something you have learned in second and third standard. It works with computer as well. Okay, so it is very much simple. But the problem is that it does not work with signed numbers. Okay, we'll see. We'll check for that. So let's say if I want to perform -5 into 3, what is the answer that I am supposed to get?
-15.
-15. Okay, so now do it. -5 can be written down in binary as 5 can be written down as 0 1 0 1.
0, 1, 0.
-5 can be written down as copy till you get 1.
Count.
After that
Flip
flip.
the number.
So this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. So this is nothing but it is -5. So write down -5 as 1 0 1 1. Multiply with 3. 3 can be written down as 0 0 1 1. Okay, is that clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear? Now multiply 1 with 1 0 1 1. What you'll get? 1 0 1 1. Get a right a left shift. एक shift करो आप. उसके बाद क्या करो? वापस 1 से multiply करो. You'll get
10.
1 0 1 1. Perform 2 shifts. Then you multiply with 0. You'll
0.
get 0 0 0 0. Then perform 3 shifts. And then 0 0 0 0. Add it. What you'll get? You'll get 1. You'll
1
get
0.
0 carry 1. Then
0 carry
0
1.
carry 1. Then
0
0
carry 1.
carry 1. 0 carry 1
carry
1 0.
1 0.
Right? Tell me what is this answer?
Yes, sir.
This is what? First of all, tell me, is it positive number or negative number? Positive number.
Positive.
Multiplication of a negative and a positive number, what should be the answer? Negative, right?
Yes,
Negative.
sir.
But यहाँ पे positive आ रहा है. दूसरी बात, number क्या है? Can you tell me the value? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, 16, 32. So 32 plus 1 is
33.
33. So this number is nothing but it is 33. What should be coming as output? It should be -15.
Minus 15.
So can we say that traditional approach, traditional approach is a better, but the problem of traditional approach, what is the drawback? It does not work with
Sign numbers.
signed numbers. Okay, does not work with signed numbers. Okay, that is a major problem of it. Does not work with signed numbers. Have you noted it down? Kindly note this.
Yes, sir.
So traditional approach, it is a good approach. Okay, it is a very good approach, but it does not work with signed numbers. Second important thing, if you look closely, have I multiplied anything? Have I multiplied anything? If you look closely, क्या मैंने multiplication किया है क्या actually में? Have I in any step have I multiplied anything? Are you guys getting my question?
नहीं सर.
मैंने मल्टीप्लिकेशन कहीं पे नहीं किया है. अगर 1 आया तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? ये नंबर को डायरेक्टली क्या कर रहा हूँ? कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. अगर
Yes,
ये
sir.
1 आया तो भी मैं ये 1 इसी को कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. अगर 0 आया तो आई एम कॉपिंग 0. If I am getting 0, I am copying 0. And then after that, what I am doing? I am adding all
Addition.
the partial product. These are called as partial product. These are called as partial product. I am adding all the partial product. So I am getting a partial product. After getting a partial product, I am performing a shift. एक shift कर रहा हूँ. उसके बाद फिर से partial product निकल रहा हूँ. फिर 2 shift कर रहा हूँ. उसके बाद फिर से partial product निकल रहा हूँ. फिर 3 shift कर रहा हूँ. फिर से partial product कर रहा हूँ. Right? right? So what I'm doing is I'm achieving multiplication. I'm achieving multiplication not by a multiplication circuit. There is no circuit called as multiplication, but I'm getting that multiplication circuit by using adder circuit.
Adder.
So just because I'm having adder, I'm able to perform addition with adder. I'm able to perform subtraction with adder. I'm able to achieve multiplication with adder. I'm able to achieve division with adder. So there is only one circuit which is called as adder. Adder circuit के साथ आपको कोई और दूसरे gates use करने पड़ेंगे which will be same. Okay, थोड़ी देर में देखेंगे. And we are able to achieve something which is called as a multiplication, subtraction, division, and addition. We are able to achieve every other thing. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So have you noted this point? Traditional approach, it is good,
Yes, sir.
but it does not work with signed numbers. Fine, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this approach, this drawback, it cannot be worked with signed numbers. So we need to devise some other approach. So the other approach is something which is called as Booth's algorithm. Okay, it is an algorithm which is used for multiplication, not only for unsigned number, but it works with signed number as well. And it is almost equivalent to, the speed is almost equivalent to the traditional approach. Okay, is that clear? So what is Booth's algorithm? Booth's algorithm is nothing but it is an algorithm which is used for multiplication of
Multiplication.
both signed number as well as unsigned number. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now just write down the steps for the algorithm. Okay, exam mein they can ask this question in two ways. Okay, what are the two ways that they can ask? Explain the working of Booth's algorithm. Okay, स्ट्रेट सवाल होगा और कुछ घुमा के कुछ नहीं पूछ सकते. Explain the working of Booth's algorithm. Second question that they can ask is multiply 6 into -7 using Booth's algorithm. So they will give you a numerical. Okay, only this value can change. 3 into 5, -3 into 5, 2 into 7, -2 into 7. So something, this value will change, and you need to apply Booth's algorithm on that, and you need to find out the value. Okay, so you will very much know what is the answer that you're supposed to get. So -6 into 7 is what? Minus
42.
42. So you very much know what is your answer. The only thing is how you get that answer. That is very much important. Okay, so this is the only two type of question that they will ask on Booth's algorithm, nothing else. Okay, so we'll first write down the algorithm. Once the algorithm is finished, then we are able to we'll able to solve the particular numerical for that. Okay, so just write down the algorithm. The first point that you need to write down. क्या हो गया? Yeah, the number of steps involved to get the final answer is equal to number of bits in the multiplier is equal to number of bits in the multiplier. Okay, this is not the step, but it is it just give you an idea कि total number of steps कितना लगेगा. It is equal to number of bits which is there in the multiplier. What is a multiplier? If we have 5 into 7, what is multiplier and what is multiplicand? Who is multiplier?
5 is the multiplier.
5 is
Multiply.
and multiplicand 7 होगा.
okay. So this is multiplier. This is multiplicand. Okay, I am taking this as a multiplicand. Is that clear?
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is okay. So this one is nothing but it is your multiplier. I am representing it with Q. Okay, make it a show, and the multiplicand I am making it as M. Fine. I'll repeat again. 1 is a multiplier, 5 is a multiplier which is represented by Q, and 7 is your multiplicand which is represented by M. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the number of steps which is required in order to solve or in order to get the output is equal to the number of bits which is there in the multiplier. So what is the number of bits in the multiplier that we have? कितने bits से आप represent कर सकते हो? In the following example, 5 into 7 आपको करना है. Can someone tell me?
Yes, sir.
Number of
4.
bits, which is number of bits that we have, it is 4. Okay, so what is a multiplier? First tell me what is a multiplier in this particular case. Don't
5.
q or m hata do, it will get confused. Multiplier is what?
5.
5.
5. 5 can be represented as 0 1 0 1.
0 1
So number of bits are
4.
number of bits are 4. So the number of steps required for solving this particular problem will be 4. Is that clear? Is the meaning of this particular statement clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to the actual algorithm. Okay, we'll go to the actual algorithm. The actual algorithm is step number 1. Step number 1. At each step, examine two consecutive, or you can say adjacent multiplier bit. Okay, it will get confused initially, but yeah, just write it down. Two adjacent multiplier bit from right to left. You need to just examine that. Okay, is that clear? At each step, per step में आपको क्या करना है? You need to examine the two consecutive multiplier bit के consecutive bit को आपको check करना पड़ेगा, which starting from right to left, which is from LSB to the MSB. उस तरफ से आपको start करना है. Okay. Step number 2. If the transition is from 0 to 1. If the transition is from 0 to 1, यानी अगर वो bit जो है, let's say the bit is like 0 0 1, if 1 1 1. So अगर आप examine कर रहे हो last two bits को, if it is from 0 to 1, if the transition is from 0 to 1, in that case, then subtract m from a. Subtract m from a. What is m? M is nothing but it is
Multiplying.
multiplicand. M is nothing but it is multiplicand. Is that clear? So subtract multiplicand
Yes.
from a. What is a? A is nothing but accumulator. Accumulator को आप initially 0 से initialize करोगे और multiplicand को उसके अंदर से आप subtract करोगे अगर 0 to 1 transition हुआ तो. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If the transition, step number 3 is from 1 to 0. अगर transition जो है 1 to 0 होगा, in that case then add m to accumulator. Is that clear? Step number 2. अगर transition 1 से 0 होगा तो उस केस में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Multiplicand को accumulator के साथ add करना पड़ेगा. Step number 4. If the transition is from 1 to 1 or 0 to 0, no operation. Okay, no operation. Perform no operation. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Step number 5. In each step, perform a right shift of the partial product. In each step, perform the right shift of the partial product. Is that clear? This is the complete algorithm for the Booth's algorithm. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted it down?
Yes.
Now we'll try to solve the numerical for this. Okay, everybody understood this? It will get more clear when we solve it. Okay, can we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, any doubt? Anybody has any doubt?
No.
Okay, fine. So the next is solve for, write down the question, solve for 7 into 6. Solve for 7 into 6. Okay, what is the answer? 42.
42.
Solve for the following question 7 into 6 using Booth's algorithm. This is the question which is given into the paper. Now you need to solve the Booth's algorithm. In order to solve it, you need to do what? First you need to do find its binary representation. So 7 का binary representation निकालो. What is 7 का binary representation? 0, 111, Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Find the binary representation of 6. It is 0, 1, 0. Everybody agrees?
Yes, sir.
Also
Yes,
find
sir.
-7 and -6. ये पहले से find करके रख लो. What is -7? It is 2's complement of 7. What is 2's complement of 7? 1, 0, 0, 1, right?
0, 1. Yes,
What
sir.
about this case? We copy till we get the first one. After that, flip. So you get 0.
0, 1.
You get 1, 0, 1, 0, right?
Yes.
Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So out of this, which is a multiplicand? 7 is multiplicand or 6 is multiplicand?
6.
Yes.
7, na? Multiplicand is what? The one you multiply, right? And multiplier is the one how many times you multiply that. So 7 is nothing but it is your multiplicand, and 6 is nothing but your multiplier. Is that clear? The first,
वाले में तो आपने
I'll make sure, ensure you just write it down over here. The first one is nothing but it is your multiplicand. You multiply, right? You a into b अगर आप करते हो, so you multiply the multiplicand with multiplier, right? This is how you write down, right? Right?
yes sir yes
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this 7 is nothing but your multiplicand, and multiplicand is represented by m, and 6 is nothing but your multiplier, and you represent multiplier by q. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After doing this, this is the initial step that you need to do. You have now, you are good to go with the algorithm. So have you, is this clear? यहाँ तक clear है? आपको क्या करना है? जो भी आपको नंबर दिया है उसका बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन निकालो, उसका नेगेटिव नंबर बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन निकालो, उसका 2's complement का बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन निकालो. Find out the multiplicand and the multiplier. It does not have any impact. कुछ जरूरी नहीं है, चाहे आप a into b करो या b into a करो, कोई इशू नहीं है. किसी को भी आप मल्टीप्लिकेंड ले सकते हैं, किसी को भी आप मल्टीप्लाई ले सकते हैं. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
It does not have
Yes,
any
sir.
rule. लेकिन एक बार अगर आपने डिसाइड कर लिया, बाद में उसको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. You can make anyone as m, anyone as q. Fine. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Only in the case of division it will have an important role, क्योंकि division में divisor और dividend you cannot change that. But in case of multiplication, you can change the multiplier and the multiplier. But always the a into b में a is the multiplicand and b is nothing but the multiplier. Fine.
yes sir
Okay. After this, you'll start with a table. I'll just change the color. You need to make a table. Just take. Yeah, I'll take the yellow color. So you need to make a table. Okay. So make a table. In the table, the first column is something called a step. Okay. After that, you need to write down accumulator A. Okay. After accumulator, we have something called as multiplier. Multiplier is nothing but Q. Okay. Then you have something called as Q minus 1, which is the imaginary bit. And finally, we have something called as multiplicand. Okay. Multiplicand is nothing but M. Okay. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll just erase this. थोड़ा better और बनाता हूँ उसके लिए. Okay. Step वाले को थोड़ा broad रखो, okay? Because वहाँ पे ज़्यादा content आपको लिखना है. So I have a step, then I have something called as accumulator, then I have something called as multiplier, then I have the imaginary bit, which is Q minus 1, and then finally I have multiplicand. Is this clear? Is this
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay. After this, just initialize the values. Okay. After just initialize the value. So what is the value of the accumulator is? Accumulator की value क्या होगी? I have initialized with 0. What is the value of Q? Q की value क्या मैंने set किया है?
6.
What is the value of M? It is
7.
7. The imaginary bit you are putting it to as a 0. You are imagining as a 0. Okay. वो आपको initial value आपको वहाँ पे set करना पड़ेगा, and that is made as 0. This is universal rule. The imaginary bit is always made as 0. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the first step is nothing but is the initial step. Initial step में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सारे वैल्यूज को आपको सिर्फ बाइनरी में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. So accumulator 0 can be represented as 4 zeros. This 6 can be represented as 0 1 1 0. This m, which is your multiplicand, is represented as 0 1 1 1. Is this clear? This is your step number 1, which is the initialization. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Step number 0, not the 1, step number 0, which is the initialization. You just put down the value into the register. There is a register called as A, there is a register called as Q, there is a register called as M. तीनों register में आपने values को insert कर दिया. That is the initial step. Step number 1, सबसे पहले step क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? We just need to check the two values that you have. 2 bits को आपको check करना पड़ेगा. As per the algorithm, check the 2 consecutive bit, which is 0 to 0. What is the transition happening? It is from 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 1. What is the transition happening?
0 to
0 to 1.
You're starting from right hand side. Right hand side से left hand में जाना है. And you start from Q minus 1 to Q0. Q minus 1 से imaginary bits आपको start करना है. So 0 to 0. The transition is called as 0 to 0. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Transition clear. So since the transition is happening from 0 to 0, will there be any operation? क्या आपको ऑपरेशन करना है? क्या
No
A के अंदर
operation.
M को ऐड करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है या नो ऑपरेशन करना है? What you need to do?
No
No
operation.
operation.
So you'll perform no operation. Okay. So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यही नंबर को आपको नीचे कॉपी करना है. Just copy this same number. Okay. So I'll be copying 0 0 0 0. I'll be copying down this 0 1 1 0. Nothing else. Okay. इसको as it is copy करना है. After copying this, in every step, what we need to do? The common step is perform right shift. Step number 5. दिख रहा है आपको? Step number 5. In each step, perform
Yes, sir.
right shift. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? हर स्टेप में आपको right shift करना है. Perform the right shift on this. So क्या होगा? This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. Right? ये वाला 0 क्या होगा? इधर आ जाएगा. Right? Right?
Yes.
This 0 will come over here. This 1 will come over here. This 1 will come over here, and this 0 will go over here. Is this clear? Is this clear? Is this
Yes, sir.
clear? यहाँ पे एक spot बच गया है. There is a spot which is remaining. So हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Whatever is your MSB, that should be copied over here. So what is the MSB over here?
0.
0. So I'll just copy 0 over here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the end of step number 1. You have finished your step number 1. Okay, I'll change the color. I'll make it as to. तो फिलहाल मैं वही कलर रखता हूँ. Yeah, I'll go to step number 2. Step number 2 में मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? What I need to do? Check the transition of the last 2 bit. 0 to 1. What is the transition happening? It is from where to what? 0 to 1.
One.
It is happening. 0 to 1 transition में क्या करना पड़ेगा? What I need to do? If the transition is from 0 to 1,
Add करेंगे.
what I need to do?
Subtract.
मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Subtract करना पड़ेगा. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So if the transition is happening from 0 to 1, okay, यहाँ पे transition क्या था? 0 to 0 transition था. यहाँ पे 0 to 1 transition है. Then in that case, subtract m. Subtract m का मतलब क्या करोगे? Subtract m मतलब subtract यानी जो भी आपका नंबर है उसके अंदर आपको -7 करना. -7 करने के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो? Add the complement of 7. Can we do this?
Yes, sir.
So in this, instead of subtracting, what I'll do, I'll add the 2's complement of -m. -m का 2's complement मैं ले लूँगा. What is 2's complement of -7? It is 1001, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now add these two number. इन दोनों को add कर दो. क्या आ जाएगा? 0 plus 1 is what? 1. This 0 plus 0 is what? 0. This 0 plus 0 is what? 0. This 0 plus 1 is what? 1. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
सर रिपीट करो ना.
Okay, I'll repeat again. I'll just erase it. Yeah. So what is happening? If you look closely, step number 1 के बाद step number 2 पे जब मैं आया, उस टाइम पे मैं मुझे क्या करना है? चेक. मुझे लास्ट के 2 बिट को मुझे चेक करना. I need to check the last 2 bits. The last 2 bit is from 0 to 1. The transition is happening from 0 to 1. If the transition is happening from 0 to 1, as per our algorithm, what we need to do? We need to subtract m. सब्ट्रैक्ट m फ्रॉम एक्यूमुलेटर, दिख रहा है ना आपको, एक्यूमुलेटर में से m को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो आई कैन परफॉर्म a minus m. Instead of performing a minus m, can I do a plus of minus m? Yes. Can I do this? So I can perform addition, but addition I need to do with 2's complement of m. So what is 2's complement of m? What is m? M is nothing but 7. What is 2's complement of 7? It is minus 7. So मैं क्या करूँगा? प्लस कर दूंगा किसके साथ? minus 7 के साथ. What is minus 7? 1001. Accumulator के अंदर 1001 के साथ मैं ऐड कर दूंगा. Is that clear? Is this clear now? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
just add it. Now just add it. What you'll get? You'll get 1. You'll get 0. You'll get 0. You'll get 1. Is this clear? यहाँ तक? Copy the other 4 bit. Copy the other 4 bit as it is. So you'll get 0 over here. You'll get 0 over here. You'll get 1 over here. You'll get 1 over here. Is this clear? After performing this, you need to perform what? After every step, you need to perform what? Right shift. Right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So perform the right shift. So this 1 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 1 will go over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 1 will go over here. And this 1 will go into the imaginary part. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
One space is remaining over here. What we need to fill with this one space? क्या यहाँ पे fill करना पड़ेगा? The MSB. Whatever is the MSB, just copy that. So 1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So what we got as a final answer? 11001001 1. Is this clear?
सर
Yes.
सर ये 0 to 1 है ना?
0 to 1 है transition.
आपने सब्ट्रैक्शन लिखा है इधर नोट्स में.
हाँ तो subtraction ही किया ना मैंने. Subtraction
हाँ,
ही किया मैंने. लेकिन वो subtraction अगर मैं m के साथ अगर addition करना है तो मैं just m के साथ करूंगा. यहाँ पे subtraction में करना है, मैं addition ही कर रहा हूँ लेकिन with its 2's complement, बराबर ना. a को m से मुझे अगर subtract करना है, this I can do by adding also. What? By taking m का 2's complement.
हाँ सर, हाँ समझा.
समझा ना?
समझा.
तो यहाँ
हाँ.
पे ये जो 1001 है, this is not your m, this is minus m. I'm adding your a with minus m. So that is what is nothing but a minus m. I'm subtracting it. Is this clear?
Yes sir.
Is this clear? Okay. So ये मेरा step number 2 है. अब step number 3 के लिए मैं क्या करता हूँ? फिर से मैं यहाँ पे जाता हूँ और बाकी बच्चे इस टेबल को मैं बना देता हूँ. Just change the color. So I have yellow color. So सबसे पहला step है, उसके बाद क्या है? Accumulator है. We have something called a step. Then we have accumulator. After accumulator, what we have?
Q.
We have Q. We have Q minus 1. And then finally we have M. Okay.
M.
Can you tell me the last value what we have got? कोई बता सकता है? किसी ने कोई लिख रहा है यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
Accumulator में क्या आया था आपको? 1100.
1100.
1100.
Yeah, I'll just change the color. Pen color, pen. So we have got 1100. Q में क्या मिला आपको?
1001.
1001. And Q minus 1 में?
And 1.
Okay. और मल्टीप्लिकेंड वो आपको वहाँ पे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, यहाँ तक आपका काफी है. ओके. सो स्टेप नंबर 2 के बाद यू गॉट फाइनली ओवर हियर. आफ्टर इन दिस स्टेप अगेन यू नीड टू चेक व्हाट द लास्ट टू ट्रांजिशन. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? व्हाट इज द ट्रांजिशन हैपनिंग? कहां से कहां जा रहा है? 1 to 1. इफ द ट्रांजिशन इज हैपनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to 1, व्हाट वी नीड टू डू?
No operation.
No operation. You don't have to do anything. Just after every step, what you need to do? हर step के बाद आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Right shift.
Perform right shift. So perform the right shift, get the final answer. So इसको right shift करने पे क्या मिलेगा? You'll get this one will come over here, this one will come over here, this 0 will go over here, this 0 will come down over here. ये 1 1 0 0. This one will come over here, right?
Yes, sir.
One space is remaining. You just need to copy the
MSB.
MSB. So MSB is 1, so 1 will come over here. Is this clear? Is this
Yes,
clear?
Yes.
Now we are in step number 4. Step number 4 में check the transition is happening from where to where?
1 to 0.
1 to 0. In 1 to 0, what we need to do?
Add.
Add करेंगे.
Add accumulator में क्या करना पड़ेगा? M को add करना पड़ेगा, right?
Yes, sir.
So just add M to it. What is M? M क्या है? 7. What is 7? 0 1 1 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
So add it. What you'll get as answer? You'll get 1. You'll get 0. Carry 1. What you'll get now? 1. Carry 1. What you'll get now? 0. Carry 1. Forget the carry. Carry bhul jao. Everybody got this? 0 1 0 1.
Yes.
Everybody
Yes,
got
sir.
this? Yeah. Copy the rest of the bit. Rest of the bit Q को as it is copy कर लो. You'll get 0 1 0 0. Okay. यहाँ तक आप स्टेप नंबर 4 में आ चुके हो और उसके बाद आपने ऑपरेशन कर लिया है. लास्ट में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? What you need to do? Right shift. Perform the right shift. After every step you need to perform the right shift. क्या करोगे? This 0 will come over here. 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Right.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे जगह बच गई. यहाँ पे आपको क्या डालना पड़ेगा?
0.
0. So this is your step number 4. कितने स्टेप करने हैं आपको? How many steps करना है आपको? 4 5 6. How many steps? It is 4 because as per the number of bits that we have in the
Bits.
case of
4.
multiplier. Multiplier में कितने? 4 बिट है, तो 4 steps ही आपको करने पड़ेंगे, right? Is this clear? So you need to
Yes,
stop
sir.
over here. You need to stop over here, and this is something your final result. This is your final result. Check it. Is it coming as? What is the answer? Answer क्या आना चाहिए था?
42.
42. Is it coming as 42? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, this is 16, this is 32. So 32 plus 8 plus 2. Is it coming as 42?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now perform the same thing for 5 into 3. Perform for 5 into 3. You know the answer. Answer is supposed to come as 15. तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? Just write down binary representation of 5. What is it?
0 1 0.
0 1 0 1. What is the binary representation of 3? 0 0 1 1. What is the binary representation of -5? 1 1
1 1.
0
0.
1. Yeah. What is representation of -3? 1 0 1 1. Right?
Yes.
Right? This you can take it as M. This you can take it as Q. Okay? आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है? You need to make step का एक कॉलम बना लो. उसके बाद आपका क्या आएगा? Accumulator.
Accumulator.
Accumulator के बाद you'll get Q.
Q.
Q के बाद Q minus 1. Q minus 1 के बाद M.
M.
Okay? I'll just change the color. Everybody is doing. So हर कोई कर रहा है अपने just try to do it on your own. Accumulator I'm initializing with 0. Q I'm making as 3. Multiplicand I'm making as 5. Okay. Step number first, which is initial step, it is step number 0. So put down the value in binary. Just 0 को binary में लिखो. So 0 is nothing but 0 0 0 0. This 3 can be written down as 0 0 1 1. This Q minus 1 is always initialized with 0. This M can be written down as 0 1 0 1. Is this clear?
Yes,
Is this
sir.
clear? Step number 1. Okay, step number 1. Step number 1 क्या बोल रहा है? Check the transition. What is the transition happening? It is 0 to 1. The transition
0
is
to
happening
1.
from 0 to 1. In that case, what you need to do? Operation क्या होगा? Subtract M. Right? Right ना?
Subtract.
Subtract M का मतलब क्या करोगे? You just add minus M. What is add of minus M? Minus M क्या है? What is minus M? 1 0 1 1.
1 0 1 1.
So 1 0 1 1 को you just add with accumulator. What you'll get as answer? You'll get as 1 0 1 1. And this will Q will come down, which is 0 0 1 1. Okay. After every step, what you need to do?
Right shift.
Right shift. So perform the right shift. So this one will come over here, 0 1. This one will go over here. You'll get 0 0 1 and imaginary में 1 आ जाएगा. Is this clear? This space is remaining. So यहाँ पे क्या डालना पड़ेगा?
1.
1. Okay. Step number 1 is over. Step number 2. Check for the transition. The transition is 1 to 1. Right? सबको यही आ रहा है? Everybody is getting this same thing? Or am I going too fast? So 1 to 1 में there is no operation. You just need to perform the right shift. So perform the right shift. So this 1 will come over here. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 and this space is remaining, so यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 1, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll go to the next page. So this is for step, this is for accumulator, this is for Q, this is for Q minus 1, and this is for M. So I'll just write it down. Step, this is accumulator, this is Q, Q minus 1, M. Okay, so step number 3. Okay, I'll just write it down. क्या है यहाँ पे 1110 Q क्या है मेरा 1100. What is Q minus 1? It is 1. Okay, I'll check the transition again. The transition is happening from where to where?
0 to 1 to 0.
Right से left जाना है. Okay, always remember it is 1 to 0. 1 to 0 में मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Add M. So please add M. So what is the value of M? M क्या है 5. So it is 0 1 0 1. Add this to accumulator. So what we'll get? 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 0, carry 1, carry, ignore the carry. Is this clear? Yeah, the clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after this, get 1100 down. Okay, after every step, perform the right shift.
Right shift.
Perform the right shift. So 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Clear है? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Once one place is remaining यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे मुझे 0 को लिखना पड़ेगा. Step number 4. The transition is happening from where to where?
0 to
0
0.
to 0.
Since 0 to 0 हो रहा है, तो I need to perform no operation.
No operation.
And I just need to perform right shift. So perform the right shift. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Is this clear? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? One place is remaining, so I need to put 0 over here. This is your final answer. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so tell me what is the value?
15.
The number is positive. Okay, because MSB is 0, the number is positive. The number is nothing but it is 15. So are we supposed to get 15?
15. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that
Yes,
means
sir.
you are awarded 10 marks for this. Was it difficult? Was it
sir.
difficult? No, it is not that difficult. Okay. Now we'll take, हमने अब तक साइन नंबर अनसाइन नंबर लिया. Take a sign number. Okay, कोई साइन नंबर ले लो. Okay, so we'll take perform the same thing with -5 into -3. -5 into 3. Perform this number. What is the answer that you're supposed to get for this?
minus 15.
-15.
Minus
right?
15.
So find out the value. So क्या हो जाएगा? What is 5 represented as? 5 का representation क्या हो जाएगा?
0 1 0 1.
0 1. 3 का representation क्या हो जाएगा?
0 0 1 1.
0 0 1 1. Okay. -5 का representation will be 1
1 0 1
1 1 0 1 1. -3 का representation is
1 1 0 1.
1 1 0 1. Okay. After doing all this thing, you just need to find this. Make it as make -5 as M and make 3 as Q. Okay. Is this clear? Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes,
You can
sir.
you can choose anyone as Q and M. Okay, it does not have that impact. Okay, so you just write down step के बाद आपको लिखना है A के बाद आपको लिखना है Q के बाद लिखना है आपको Q minus 1 के बाद आपको क्या लिखना है M. Okay, so what is the step? Step is initial step में accumulator is 0, so that 0 can be written now as 0 0 0 0. Q can be written down as Q is nothing but it is 3. 3 can be written down as 0 0 1 1. Okay, Q minus 1 is made as 0, and M is nothing but it is -5. -5 can be written down as 1 0 1 1. Is this clear? Yeah, the clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Step number 1. What is step number 1 that is happening? The transition is happening from
0 to 1.
0 to 1. 0 to 1 के टाइम पे क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? Subtract. M. M is what? M is what? -5. Minus of -5 is what? +5, right? Are you guys getting it? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? What I'm doing over here is A minus M, right? What is M? What is m?
M is minus 5.
It is -5. So I can do a plus of 5. Can I do this?
Yes.
So just add 5 to this number. Just add 5 to this number. So it is 0, 1, 0, 1. So what you'll get as output? 1, 0, 1, 0.
0, 1, 0.
Copy the rest of the bits. So 0, 0, 1, 1 आ गया. Okay. After this, you need to perform right shift. Perform the right shift. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. बराबर ना? बराबर.
Yes, sir.
One place is remaining. Just copy the MSB. So 0 will come over here. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Step number 2. 1 to 1. 1 to 1 में क्या करना पड़ेगा?
No operation.
नो ऑपरेशन. नो ऑपरेशन में सिर्फ क्या करना है आपको? जस्ट परफॉर्म द राइट शिफ्ट. सो परफॉर्म द राइट
Right
शिफ्ट.
shift.
So 0, 0, 1. This 0 will come over here. 1, 0, 0, 1 will come over here. Right? Clear? One place is missing, so you just need to copy over here. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
किसी को फाइनल आंसर मिला क्या? Has anybody got the final answer? Has anybody got the final answer? Nobody? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So step. Yeah. So the previous case we have 1 to 1, no operation. We just need to perform the right shift. So ये नंबर को मैंने सिर्फ राइट शिफ्ट कर दिया. तो 0 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ये 0 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ये 1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ये वाला 0 उठ के यहाँ पे चले जाएगा. ये 1 will come over here, this 0 will come over here, this 0 will come over here, this 1 will go into the imaginary part. Is this clear? Yeah. So I'll just write down accumulator में 0001 आया, वहाँ पे 0100 आया, q minus 1 में क्या है? 1. Check the transition. What is the transition happening?
1 to 0.
1 to 0. 1 to 0 में मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Add M.
Add m. Add m मतलब a plus of
Minus 5.
minus 5. So what is minus 5? Minus 5 is nothing but 1011. Right na? Right na?
Yes, sir.
So add 1011. Add 1011 to this accumulator. What will get as output? 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Sorry, 0. Carry 1. 1 will come down. 1 will come over here. Right? Clear है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll get 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. Perform after every step, perform the right shift.
Right
Perform the
shift.
right shift. So this 1, 1, 0, 0 will come over here. 0, 1, 0, 0. Is this clear? यहाँ तक clear है? One place is remaining. So what you need to do? Put
MSB.
1 on MSB, which is 1. Okay. After this, step number 4. Step number 4, the transition is happening from
0 to 0.
0 to 0. Since the transition is happening from 0 to
No
0,
operation.
no operation. You just need to perform
Right shift.
right shift. Perform the right shift. So 111 0 0 0 1 0. बराबर ना? यहाँ पे MSB रह गया तो यहाँ पे क्या डालना पड़ेगा आपको? 1.
1.
So this is nothing but your final answer. Okay. So is it minus 15? Is it minus 15? How to check? First of all, the number is negative, that we know because the MSB is 1. Barabar na?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Since the MSB is 1, that means the number is negative. That means it is not stored in its original form, but it is stored in its 2's complement form. Get its 2's complement. So इसका 2's complement क्या आएगा? जब तक आपको 1 नहीं मिलता आप कॉपी करोगे, इसके बाद की बिट को आपको फ्लिप करना है. So flip the bit. So 1 आएगा यहाँ पे, 1 आएगा, 1 आएगा. This 1 will become 0, 0, 0, 0. What is this number?
15.
15. Since the number was negative, it is nothing but minus 15. Is this clear? Is this clear? So is the Booth's algorithm clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
So kindly do it on your own. कोई भी एक नंबर ले ले. क्या बोल रहा है? कौन बोल रहा है?
सर
हाँ, yes.
लास्ट कीजिए ना सर.
Last step.
राइट शिफ्ट वाला. हाँ.
Okay. So यहाँ पे जो ट्रांजिशन अगर आप देख रहे हो, okay, so I'll just erase it. I'll just erase it. Yeah. So if you look closely over here, this part. erase हो गया. So if you look closely over here, the transition which is happening, it is from 0 to 0. 0 to 0 as per our algorithm. अगर 0 to 0 या 1 to 1 के बीच में अगर ट्रांजिशन होता है, ओके, 1 to 1 या 0 to 0 के बीच में अगर ट्रांजिशन होता है तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, और हर स्टेप के बाद में आपको राइट शिफ्ट करना है. ओके, सो हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है. नाइदर वी वांट टू ऐड m to it नॉर वी वांट टू सबट्रैक्ट m to it. ओके, कुछ भी हमें नहीं करना. ओके, सो हम इसके अंदर कुछ भी एक्यूमुलेटर जो रहेगा वो एज इट इज हमें लेना पड़ेगा. बस उस एक्यूमुलेटर के अंदर आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यू जस्ट नीड टू डू व्हाट, just need to do what, just perform the right shift onto it. इसके ऊपर सिर्फ राइट शिफ्ट करना. ओके, सो राइट शिफ्ट करने के बाद मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये 11100010 को मैंने राइट शिफ्ट किया तो मुझे ये कुछ वैल्यू आया. आई हैव गॉट दिस वैल्यू आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग द राइट शिफ्ट. आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस वैल्यू आई जस्ट नीड टू डिकोड इट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? सो फर्स्ट आई नीड टू चेक इट्स एमएसबी चेक करते मुझे यहाँ पे 1 मिला. 1 मिलते ही मुझे समझ गया कि नंबर क्या है, नेगेटिव, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Since the number is negative, that means the number is not stored in its true form, but it is stored in its 2's complement. So इस नंबर का 2's complement निकालो. तो जब तक मुझे 1 नहीं मिलता तब तक मैं नंबर को कॉपी कर लूंगा. तो मुझे क्या मिला, पहली प्लेस पे मुझे 1 मिल गया. उसके बाद के सारे बिट को मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, फ्लिप करना पड़ेगा. तो 0 क्या बन जाएगा, 1, अगला 0 क्या बन जाएगा, 1, उसके बाद वाला 0 क्या बन जाएगा, 1, और उसके बाद के सारे जो 1 है वो क्या बन जाएंगे, 0. So this is the actual number. This number is nothing but it is 15. Since the number is 15, we already know the number was negative, so the value is nothing but it is minus 15. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can stay behind. If you don't, you can leave. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I hope it was simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but please do practice, and it will definitely come in the paper. It will definitely come in the paper. Sir, screen is not visible. Was
Thank
it
you,
not
sir.
visible? Screen visible नहीं था क्या?
था sir.
Visible है.
Okay. If you want to take a screenshot, kindly take a screenshot. I'll be uploading the video. Please do practice. कोई भी एक random number ले लो. -2 into -5 या -2 into 5, 2 into 3, -2 into 3. Perform any other combination and try to find it out. कहीं पे mistake अगर आ रहा है, just yeah, you can just take a snap of it and you can forward it to me in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
चलिए, bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
सर वो मार्क्स शेयर करेगा क्या?
हाँ, मैं शेयर करता हूँ. मैं अभी शेयर करता हूँ 2 मिनट में.
ओके सर.
हाँ, मैं WhatsApp पे डाल देता हूँ. ओके.
ओके सर.
सर
यस.
सर ये पीपीटी शेयर कर दीजिए ना.
पीपीटी मैं वीडियो ही शेयर कर देता हूँ. पीपीटी में तो मैंने कुछ भी लिखा है. मैंने राइटिंग समझेगा तेरे को?
या सर समझेगा ना, बिल्कुल.
ओके, ठीक है, मैं करता हूँ. स्नैप निकाल लो ना यार.
ठीक है सर, शो कीजिए.
ओके, एक मिनट. यार मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ नहीं किया.